Hi. Her name is Notion, Notion, and she's, of course, by Gabor. I just love this little style because I think it will work on so many people because it's so long in the top and then it's short on the sides and the back. It's 6 bang, 6 crown, 3 sides, and 1.5 in the nape. But see how you can see all this volume that you can get, and really you can sweep it all the way around into, and then pull just a few down, babes. I like to take the top, you grab it like this because we want to make it sweep. Twist, twist, in, up, in, up, in, up, and up, and up. Yeah. You can tuck it behind your ears. You can back comb this. It is heat resistant. I think it would be darling to put all this in a beachy wave and then just have this real short in the back. Wouldn't it be darling? I'm going to pull it down so you can see just how long it is, guys. It's an open cap and cute. Could you go the other way? Oh yeah. Could you go in the center? Oh yeah. So she is very volatile. Oh look, see? And then pull this side way back. Push them back, way back. Okay. All right, here we go. Isn't that cute? Her color is called dark blonde, I think. Yeah, it's dark blonde. So it has a darker blonde in it, but then it's sun-kissed. Now, because it's heat resistant, remember? Isn't it cute? I would love to have this even in like a light blonde and then do your beachy waves on the top and then have it real short here. Wouldn't that be cute? Yeah, see how you can just hit it, guys. Hit it. And there it is. It's really lovely. Of course, you know, it's Gabor, duh. Dark blonde with sun-kissed highlights. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, the price point on this is less than any I've ever said before. Look it up. Bye, guys.